Yeah, so I'm still in the same house. I've just come out of the garage up there, right? And so I came up that side of the house there before, and now I'm going back down this side. And so you can see all these joists here are all exposed. So that's all exposed through there, and no insulation on the floor there. You can see the batten there. So, and as we come down this side here, see how low that all is there? That's just a shocking job. So this is actually one of the worst jobs I've seen for years overall. There's hardly any insulation in here. So this is, a lot of companies hire subcontractors, a lot of them hire labourers and don't check on them, but bottom line is that if you pay for a job and you pay for 100 millimetres and you get that many millimetres, you should feel ripped off. And also, just bear in mind that if you get the cheap quote, this might well be what you get. And sometimes the dear quote will be like this too, just be a dodgy installer, because the company hires a subcontractor, and the subcontractor doesn't get paid well enough to do the job right, so he dodges it like this, saves some money on product, and 1 in 20 or 100 jobs or whatever, he comes back and fixes up. So anyway, and that bit there doesn't have any insulation on it at all, because that's the patio outside, so that's okay. But all of this bit here should be up to the tops of the joists just about, so